Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the infrared thermometer, its working principle and its features. Welcome to my channel C4 Technician video. I have the Dr. Truss infrared forehead thermometer, which is the best in its class. You can see it is color coded fever guidance, green for the normal range, red for the high range. It shows 2-second super accuracy result, infrared 30 memory storage, LCD extra large display, 2 into 1.5 volt AAA battery. On the side of this you can see a switch that which turns up and down. Up shows the body temperature and down shows the surrounding temperature. On off switch and the start button on it. Now on the other side of the you can see the feature of IR thermometer. It shows that it is accurate forehead or object mode, infrared temperature for quick result in 2 seconds, elegant LCD display, 30 result memory, switching mode Celsius to Fahrenheit, auto power off, fever alarm, replace battery indicator, and reliable and safe and hygiene. It is made for both pediatric and adult use. Now you can see the rate and its specifications. That is resolution is 0.1 degree Celsius, measuring time approximately 2 seconds. Temperature range you can see that in Fahrenheit and in Celsius, both in the body and the object mode. In the body mode it can measure 34 degrees Celsius to 42.2 degrees Celsius. In the object mode it measures 0 degree to 100 degrees Celsius. Now the operating temperature range in the body mode it can work in 61 Fahrenheit to 104. In the object mode 41 degree Fahrenheit to 104 mode. Clinical accuracy is plus minus 0.4 degree Fahrenheit. And dimensions you can see it, battery to 1.5 V AAA battery, gross weight you can see 174 gram. MRP is 3000, but I will provide a link below there where you purchase it below 2000 range. It is quite easy to use and it is the product of the US based company. It comes with a fine solid plastic case. Now I am going to show you how to operate this device. You can see a start or on off button. Start button. And on the side you can see the switch between body temperature or surrounding temperature. Back side you can see there is written distance, maximum 5 cm, time it takes 2 seconds. True AAA batteries. You can easily change the battery. The IR thermometer detects the reflection, transmitted and emitted rays from an object and sense it and convert it into the electric signal. The blow diagram is about the focus of the laser light that is emitted by the IR thermometer, which is best, good and incorrect. As small as the dots on the object shows the best result, and if you can see that for in the incorrect case the dots go spread out of the object. If we talk about the infrared thermometer principle, it is a non-contact temperature measurement device. It captures the invisible infrared energy emitted from all objects above absolute zero. The energy is then converted into electric signal and then it is converted into the digital form. After processing the electric energy, it can be displayed in the unit of temperature. Practically I am going to show how to read the temperature. Now you have to read the body temperature. You have to switch it up and press the start button for 5 seconds. It will show that in which measurements of temperature you can measure the, that is it show degree Fahrenheit, or you can press again start, it show degree Celsius. So I switch to the degree Fahrenheit. It is easy to see in the Fahrenheit. Now I start the device. You will see the previous reading on it, and after three dashes will show on it, and there is a symbol of forehead on the above it. You just need to press the start button and place it approximately at the 5 cm range. Now your temperature is body temperature detected. The body temperature is clearly seen on the display, and you can see that it takes less than 1 second to detect the temperature. How easy to use this device. To detect the surrounding temperature, you need to switch down the button and just need to on the device. You can see on the above left corner the symbol of the surrounding shows, and just need to start the device, and you can see the temperature of the surrounding. Just in few seconds it shows the temperature of the surrounding and the temperature of the body. Very easy to use. Again, you can measure the forehand temperature, you can measure the temperature of the baby milk bottle, you can measure the temperature of any heating object. It is very easy and reliable device. Now I am going to show that how you can see the last 30 memories that automatically stored in this device. You need to first off the device, then you have to press the start button once, and then you see 3 dashes display on the display screen. Then again press the start button, you can see the first memory, second memory, third memory, fourth memory and fifth memory. Just single press the start button to read all the 30 memories. My video is quite informative and knowledgeable and you have learned from it. Be in touch. उम्मीद है आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. Thank you for watching my channel C4 Technician video. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon button. Thank you.